Good evening. I've just put some new strings on my guitar, and I thought what better way than to take them for a spin than share with you another one of my original songs. And this one is called Black Cicada. Cicadas, can you feel the heat rising up and blowing through the windows? We make our way toward the city, pull hard upon the reins. It's holed up in the mountains, a place we've never seen before, plays host to us tonight. The streets are lined with tired travelers staring down at handheld atlases, and I can't help but wanting to describe the way I feel, but I'm lost for words and overwhelmed. So wake me if I'm dreaming as we stand upon the edge of a landscape we've not yet explored and stare into the distance. A hopeful sigh escapes me. What will be, will be. Tomorrow we take on the world. You and I are king and queen. Or a circumstance I've somehow overlooked, in which I could begin to rectify the damage I have done. Instead I think myself in circles until my brain begins to swell and I topple over screaming, are we having fun yet? Are we having fun yet? Briefest moments, let's see what we can find. Leave the world behind, we'll be here when we come back down through the hourglass. Hold for a steep descent as I try to make sense. It's effortless how fast we fall and find a moment's peace. At the water's edge you paint a memory that I'll not soon forget, and I, the best of my ability, trying to hold myself together, but I'm so desperate and foolish. Bowie sets the scene in our bittersweet parade, and I begin to realize I can't keep up this charade. Try to hold you tightly, and I try to show I care. Guess I'm just not ready for a person of your caliber. The hopeful thought consumes me, I lean into the wind. Tomorrow we take on the world, you and I are king and queen. And I wonder if it's possible there's a situation or a circumstance I've somehow overlooked, in which I could begin to rectify the damage I have done. Instead I'll think myself in circles until my brain begins to swell and I topple over screaming, are we having fun yet? Are we having fun yet? Well, it takes a certain style of crazy to generate the speed needed to see this locomotive dislodge from its track. It's time to turn the tide, it's time to make a splash, it's time to look inside. No longer will I be a passenger, so forgive me while I join the wind. Take caution as it kicks and screams, drag it, no regard, right to the edge. Look out below. Thanks for watching.